Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. In past life cannot inquire about God or can understand about God. We have several times repeated the verse, Jesam antagatam papam jananam punya karmana te dandamaha nirmuktam bhajanti mam viru. Papi, sinful man, they cannot understand. They understand only thing that Krishna is Bhagavan, so I am also Bhagavan. He is an ordinary man, maybe little powerful, historically very famous man. So he is after all a man. So I am also man. So why not? I am God. This is the conclusion of the abhaktas, non-devotees and sinful men. So anyone who is declaring himself God, immediately should know he is the greatest sinful man. And if you study his private life, you will see that he is number one sinful man. This is the test. Otherwise nobody will say that I am God. This false representation, nobody, any pious man will not do that. He knows, know what I am. I am an ordinary human being. How can I claim to take the position of God? And they become famous among rascals. As it is stated in the Srimad Bhagavad, Savai Ustakharais. What is that verse? Ustakharai samstuta purusha pasu. In this world, we see there are many great men, so-called great men, and they are very much praised by the general people. So, Bhagavad says that anyone who is not a devotee, who never chants the Hare Krishna mantra, he may be very great man in the estimation of rascals, but he is nothing but an animal. So, Sabir Baraha Ustra Kharoi. So how you can say such a great man, you are saying that animal? Our business is very thankless task. We say any man who is not a devotee, he is rascal. We say generally. It is very harsh word, but we have to use it. As soon as we see that he is not a devotee of Krishna, then he is a rascal. How do we say? He is not my enemy, but we have to say, because it is stated by Krishna. If you are really Krishna conscious, then our business is to repeat the words of Krishna. That's all. What is the difference between a Krishna's representative and non-representative? The representative of Krishna will simply repeat what Krishna says. That's all. He becomes representative. It doesn't require much qualification. You simply repeat with firm conviction. As Krishna says, Sarvadharman parittajya mamekam saranam vraja. So one who has accepted this fact that if I surrender to Krishna, my all business is successful. He is Krishna. That's all. You don't require to be very highly educated or advanced. Simply, if you simply accept that what Krishna says, just like Arjuna said, Sarvam etam nitang manne, jadavadasi Keshav. My dear Krishna, Keshava, whatever you are saying, I accept it, without any change. That is Bhakta. Therefore Arjuna is addressed, Bhaktosi. This is the Bhakta's business. Why shall I think of Krishna as like me, ordinary man? This is the difference between a Bhakta and not Bhakta. A Bhakta knows that I am insignificant, a small spark of Krishna. Krishna is individual person, I am also individual person. But when we consider about his power and my power, I am most insignificant. This is understanding of Krishna. There is no difficulty. Simply one must be sincere, not sinful. But a sinful man cannot understand. The sinful man, he will say, oh, Krishna is also man, I am also man. Why I am not God? He is simply God. No, I am God. You are God, you are very God. Just like Vivekananda said, why you are searching after God? Don't you see so many gods are loitering in the street? You see, this is his God realization. This is his God realization. And he became a big man. Oh, he is seeing everyone God. This foolishness, this rascaldom is going on all over the world. One does not know what is God, what is power of God, what is meant by God. They are accepting some rascal as God. Nowadays there is going on. Another rascal has come. He is also declaring himself God. So it has become a very cheap thing. But they have no brain to think that I am claiming God, what power I have got. So this is the mystery. This is the mystery. Without becoming devotee, the mystery of understanding God is not possible. And Krishna has said in the Bhagavad-gita, how one can know Him? Bhaktyamam avijanati javanajastami tattva. Only by devotion. Simply. He could have said by high topmost knowledge, or by yogic process, or by acting, becoming a very great karmi, worker, one can understand me. No, he has never said. Never said. So the karmis, jnanis, yogis, they are all rascals. They cannot understand Krishna. All rascals. Karmis is a third class rascal, the jnanis are second class rascal, and the yogis are first class rascal. That's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,